NOLA's wildlife presentation. My research questions were: what is the alkalinity of Glade Run Creek? What is the dissolved oxygen of Glade Run Creek? And what is a healthy habitat for salamanders? Are there healthy habitats on campus? Alkalinity. Procedure. From the alkalinity procedure, I tested Glade Run Creek water with the alkalinity test. I also did research on many different websites like Allegheny College Creek Connections, and I took notes. Definition of alkalinity. Alkalinity is measure of ability to resist changes in pH or the number of hydrogen ions. Aquatic life has a very hard time adjusting to changes in pH. That is why its alkalinity is so important in creeks. Results. For my results, Glade Run Creek alkalinity was 153 milligrams per liter, and according to Allegheny College Creek Connections website, a healthy alkalinity is above 20 milligrams per liter. This tells us that Glade Run Creek has a healthy alkalinity. Another fact about alkalinity is water with a low alkalinity has a higher chance of being affected by increased acid. Dissolved oxygen. Procedure. For my procedure for dissolved oxygen, I tested Glade Run Creek's water with the dissolved oxygen test. I also researched on many websites and took notes. Definition. The definition of dissolved oxygen is microscopic oxygen molecules that are mixed within water. Dissolved oxygen is found in the spaces between water. Results. Glade Run Creek dissolved oxygen was 11 milligrams per liter. According to Allegheny College Creek Connections website, a healthy dissolved oxygen is above 5 milligrams per liter, and this tells us that Glade Run Creek has a healthy dissolved oxygen. A cool fact about dissolved oxygen is that without it, fish would drown. Salamanders. Procedure. My procedure for salamanders was I walked down to the water by the 7th grade soccer field to see if it was the correct habitat for salamanders. Results. After I went down to the water and did some research, I concluded that our campus has a healthy habitat for salamanders because salamanders need moist areas, food, and water to survive, and our campus has those resources. A cool fact about salamanders that some people may not know is that they are nocturnal animals. Another really cool fact about salamanders is that there are 22 species of salamanders in PA. In conclusion, our campus has a healthy ecosystem to provide for the environment.